If you are overwhelmed by your mismatched space, here's how you can fix it. This is the layout of our subscriber, Robert. Right now, his space feels cramped and mismatched, making it hard for him to get the look he wants. But that's what we're here for. We'll be giving Here Home a fresh update with a Scandinavian-Contemporary style. Also, if you need urgent design, visit our website at www.designburst24.com. So, for tip number 1, choose a cohesive color palette. If you want your home to instantly feel high-end, it all starts with the right colors. Before the redesign, the colors were mixed, heavy, and traditional, with no clear or unified theme. To transform to a Scandinavian contemporary house into a hotel-inspired space, it's best to use neutral, warm, and harmonious tones. Start by choosing a base color, something neutral, like white, beige, gray, or taupe. This will be used for the larger areas, such as the walls, ceiling, and major furniture pieces. Next, pick 2 or 3 accent colors, like black and muted gold, that complement your base color. Avoid using too many different shades. Keeping the color scheme consistent across materials, furnitures, and finishes will help create a cohesive and luxurious look. For tip number 2, prioritize high-quality flooring that matches the interior design. In Robert's home, the existing floors are durable and easy to maintain, but not all of them can fit the luxury style we are aiming for. You can keep the high-gloss flooring in the living and dining areas for its elegant, reflective finish while being durable and resistant to wear. Also, use the same tiles in the kitchen, replacing the old flooring for a seamless, cohesive flow between spaces. The solid wood parquet in the guest room will also be retained since it offers a classic and warm feel and can last for decades with proper care. For the dirty kitchen and foyer, you can switch to wooden planks for better water resistance and comfort. It can help extend the clean, modern look of the home. These flooring choices will help create a cohesive and timeless feel for the home. They also match perfectly with our color palette, while adding a touch of luxury to the style. The original ceilings had cove moldings, a centered circular detail, and old light fixtures, giving the space a heavy, traditional feel. So, to modernize it, another tip is to add statement ceilings treatment to this Scandinavian contemporary style. In the living area, you can upgrade to a modern layered tray ceiling with cove lighting, pin lights, and a multi-light pendant to complete the luxurious look. For the dining, kitchen, dirty kitchen, and guest room, you can use flat, clean ceilings with black linear track lights and pin lights, adding boldness and elegance without clutter. Then, a minimalist globe pendant was added to the dining area, while wooden-wrapped globe pendants were installed above the kitchen island. And each pendant costs around $100. For the foyer, a flat ceiling with recessed spotlights will keep the space neat and airy. This shifts the ceilings from heavy, detailed, and traditional to bright, modern, and sophisticated home. Plain, flat walls with mismatched colors and very minimal texture? Don't settle for that. So, how can you make your walls feel designed and not just simply painted? The solution is to use wall treatments that add texture and depth. First, repaint the walls in a soft, off-white shade across the entire area to perfectly match the color palette and style. After that, you can start adding wall treatments. A great combination is using vertical fluted wall panels along with warm neutrals and rich wood tones flat panels. This creates a look and feel similar to that of a luxury hotel. The texture comes from the natural wood slats, which are balanced by the smooth painted walls. This introduces strong vertical movement detail without creating clutter, bringing a timeless and sophisticated depth to the interiors. So, by adding texture and depth through wall treatments makes a space feel luxurious by creating visual richness, elegance, and a sense of custom craftsmanship. For tip number 5, choose elegant, timeless furniture and materials. Looking at the before photos, the furniture leaned heavily toward an outdated style, with heavy wood pieces, ornate details, and fabric skirting. The lack of cohesion, with different styles mixed together, made the space lose its timeless appeal. When selecting furniture and materials, it's important to stay consistent to ensure everything feels connected. You can start by incorporating upholstered fabric furniture, which can be seen in the L-shaped sofa in the living area, which you can get for $300 to $400, the low-profile bed in the guest room, and the soft upholstered chairs used for the accent chairs and dining set. For wood and metal elements, we use these materials for pieces like the coffee table, side tables, desk, and dining table. Meanwhile, wood finishes were emphasized in the built-in cabinets, open shelving, and the upper and lower cabinets in the kitchen. By choosing elegant, timeless furniture and high-quality materials like these, you're investing in a home that will stay beautiful, refined, and inviting for years to come. Also, it creates a seamless flow from one space to another, making the home feel calm, modern, and luxurious, without being overly trendy or excessive. While furniture adds function and form, let's now move on to layering decor and important fixtures that bring emotion and enhance the entire space. The first fixture used for layering is the consistent use of floor-to-ceiling sheer curtains, paired with neutral blackout drapes. This vertical emphasis makes the ceilings appear taller and the spaces feel more grand. In the main kitchen and dirty kitchen, roller blinds were used instead to create a cleaner, more practical look. Next, large area rugs were placed strategically to anchor the main furniture zones, while a round rug was chosen for the kitchen area. These rugs not only provide a soft, comfortable surface, but also add a touch of cozy luxury. For overall decor, the spaces were styled with a minimalist and curated selection of sculptural vases, simple greenery, and abstract wall art. Through the layering of soft textures and thoughtfully chosen accents, the entire home was transformed into a modern, luxurious environment. Across the living room, dining room, kitchen, dirty kitchen, guest room, and foyer, the careful use of decor and fixtures created a seamless visual flow and a refined sense of luxury. Some homeowners think that one ceiling light is enough, but if you truly want a luxurious and inviting home, you need layered lighting, and that's our final tip. Looking at the before photos, there wasn't enough layered lighting. There was no control over the mood, and it didn't support different activities properly. Lighting is actually one of the secrets to creating depth, mood, and a perfectly balanced atmosphere in every room. For your space, it would be a great idea to add LED strip lights along accent walls, like on the flat and fluted wall panels, as well as integrated shelf lighting and under-cabinet LED strips. In the guest room, installing modern minimal tube sconces would be perfect. To complete the layered lighting, you can also add stylish floor lamps, like a modern arc-shaped floor lamp and sculptural floor lamp. These are ideal for seating areas, offering soft light while enhancing the modern design. For tabletop lighting, a modern cylinder-based table lamp would create a cozy and layered atmosphere, providing both task and ambient lighting. With these updates, the entire home will now have a rich, layered feel, filled with soft ambient warmth, functional elegance, and a touch of understated modern luxury, without having to rely solely on direct ceiling lighting. Let's now take a tour of the complete makeover. Also, if you need urgent design, visit our website at www.designburst24.com. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another design tips.